Hi friends, I hope that you are doing well. It is your girl Tia Bella, and we are back with another video. We are going to be unboxing this new package that MelodySusie was kind enough to send me over to review for you guys. It is a new nail lamp, and it is such an innovative and creative product. When you first open this box, you are going to have a mini instruction manual, and it is so important for you to read through your manual so that you understand how to use your products and how to get started doing your nails at home. This is such a beginner-friendly nail product that you should have. Definitely spend some time reading. You'll also see that there is a warranty card in your box, which means if there's any issues with your product, you could definitely reach out to MelodySusie and they will help you. Now let's move on over to the star of the show, which is this new nail lamp that I have never seen before, guys. This is such an amazing product, and I'm going to show you why. Now, when you take your product out, sometimes I do forget that there are other things in the package, so be sure to check all of the boxes and packages in your box. There is a plug in here. You're going to need that to charge up your lamp. This is a rechargeable lamp. You will first notice that there is a little there's a little button right here, and it's telling you only use the charger that comes with the product. If you use another cheap charger or something else, it might affect the quality of your product. So please use everything that comes with your package. Read the instructions. You'll see that there is a little slot here for you to put your finger through, and it tells you where to put your hands. There's little stickers all over this product, so it's not confusing, very user and beginner friendly. At the bottom, there's a nice matte padding so that when you place your product down, it reduces any friction and doesn't move around on the desk too much. And as you can see, it is so easy to just slide this out and have it positioned on your desk when you are doing your nails. Now, there are only two buttons on here. One is for 35 seconds and one is for 65 seconds, which is just enough for you to do a quick flash cure and get your nails fully cured. Once you flip this over, you're going to see all of these LED lights right here. This is your UV bulbs. This is where the magic happens. This is where you'll be curing your nails. Now, the best thing that I could do is tell you to plug it in, get it nicely charged, turn your plug on, and you're going to see an indicator right here. This lets you know your battery level. Try to get your battery level all the way to fully charged whilst you're using your product. Once you are ready to cure your nails, you have your gel polish on, you want to cure your nails, you can just go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, you can actually do multiple hands at the exact same time. If you want to start a finger on this side or maybe a hand on this side, you can do that as well. There's a number of different ways that you can actually use this amazing product. I also like the shape and size of this. I feel like the shape of it is easier for you to hold in your hand, and the size of it is portable, so you can actually put this into your bag if you are traveling. There is a slight bit of weight to this, and look, you can actually put your thumb in and then also have your fingers into the other section, which makes this product so unique because this has been one of the challenges of doing your nails at home. When you're doing your nails, sometimes your thumb often gets left out and doesn't get fully cured properly. So by using a product like this, you have the ability to operate both sides of your hands in your nail lamp, making sure that you get a full cure. Honestly, this is absolutely one of my favorite products that MelodySusie has created. It's portable, it's rechargeable, it's user friendly. And all you need to do when you're done is just turn this button off, and that is it. Now, the best way to really show you the innovation and creativity behind this is to actually go ahead and fully cure a nail. So I am going to be using their gel polish today, and I'm going to go ahead and put this over my nails. I do have top coat on, but I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate using their gel polish and giving my hand a full cure. This will be a very detailed, so definitely hang out with me just for a few more minutes whilst we go ahead and test out this amazing product. All right, so I am going in with this beautiful white gel polish from MelodySusie. And guys, I've spoke about their products before. Their gel polish is insanely good. From the shape of their brush, I know this video is about the nail lamp, but the brush, the shape of the brush, the pigmentation of the gel polish, it is absolutely beautiful. Now you'll notice I'm going to stick my thumb into this little slot here for this nail lamp, which I think is so innovative. You put your nail in and you have the full UV curing of the lamp because it is designed really for one finger. When you are done, after 65 seconds, you have a full cure, guys. A full cure. Now, obviously, this is just for demonstration purposes, so no, this will not be like the perfect gel polish, but I am thoroughly impressed with how quick this was able to be cured. Now, let's move on over to my other fingers because I want to test the other area, and I wanted to also point out there's no tacky layer. That is absolutely, I don't know how come this is the first time I'm figuring that out, but there's no tacky layer to a gel polish, which means if you're in a rush, you might not even need top coat. But obviously, I would go in with a second coat and I would go in with some top coat. But that is amazing. MelodySusie really is doing something phenomenal with these amazing products that they are creating. So here I am just going over the rest of my nails. Again, not a gel polish tutorial. I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to do your nails at home using high quality products. And notice I'm not going back into the gel polish bottle. Did you notice that I literally could almost get away with painting my whole hand with just one brush? And I'm still getting pigmentation. Like, it's not thinning out, it's not getting less. It is still giving what it is supposed to give. Absolutely amazing. All right, so I think I have enough gel polish on here. Obviously, if you have any gel polish that goes onto your skin, your cuticle, you want to wipe that up before you go ahead and put your hand under the UV lamp because it will cure on your skin, and that's not good. All right, so we have 65 seconds. We're going to put this on, and then we're going to go ahead and cure this, these set of nails. All right, friends, so now we're down to the last few seconds. And again, we have a fully cured set of nails from this small, portable, rechargeable nail lamp, guys. This is absolutely amazing. You're still getting the full cure of the regular big lamps that we are so accustomed to having. But just having this freestanding lamp able to do this job in such a, a short amount of time is absolutely amazing. This would be the perfect nail lamp for a new beginner. I do have a discount code if you are interested in purchasing any of the amazing products from MelodySusie, whether it's this nail lamp, their gel polish, or their nail drills. Highly recommend. Do check the description below.